Hello guys, you're welcome back to the channel. And the last video I uploaded to the channel, or the last two videos I uploaded to the channel, you guys may have noticed that I started a futures trading bot. All right, so actually I've been using Bitsgap for over 2 years now, and I've been using it to make consistent profits. Okay, the profit might not really be so big, okay, like turning $50 to $1,000. No, it's not like that. Okay, but if you have a reasonable capital, like let's say $1,000, and you're using the platform and you have the right information with you, then I can assure you that you're gonna be making profit like month in, month out, every month. All right. Now, if you look at this video right here, I'm not going to play the video, but in the video, it was a tutorial about how to set up a futures trading bot using one of the most sophisticated trading algorithm that's available on the market right now. Okay. Now, I recorded the videos some hours ago. Okay, about 20 hours ago, it was uploaded on the channel. It went live on the channel. Then this is, I promised you guys that I was going to share the result of the bot activities with you guys also, just like a kind of follow-up video for that. So if you stick around, you're going to see, because I'm going to explain some metrics to you if you stick around, in this tutorial. Okay, so don't also forget to subscribe to the channel. We're looking forward to having thousands and thousands of subscribers very soon. Be a part of the community. Join us on Telegram, join us on WhatsApp, and be a part of this crypto niche community, right? So now let me go to the platform. Here is it. What you are seeing here, I launched this with $50, right? The reason why is that combo bot is still a new bot on Bitsgap, so I waited for a long time for the team to actually work on it to make it perfect or close to being perfect, right? So but now I'm now beginning to experiment with it. Okay, so I will likely after this experiment, I think this is the last phase of the experiment. I started with using $10. I moved to 20. From 20, I scaled to 50 per trade. So I'm going to stick with just 50. So if I'm going to be opening positions like BTC, Ethereum, and all that, I'm going to stick with 50 per position. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So as you can see that this is moving and moving. The price is changing very fast because I'm on futures trading. Now, if you look at this metric now, the bot was launched like 1 day 7 hours ago. Obviously it was launched before the video was uploaded. That's correct. Okay, because I had to like upload the video later in the day, right? So if you look at this now, in the last 24 hours, or let me say in the last 7 plus 24, that would be like 31. In the last 31 hours, the bot made a profit of 34%. So that's just like an average of 1% profit per hour. So if I launched the bot with $50, it's like the bot is making like $1 every hour. That's how it is. Okay. So what you can see here is the sum of profit and loss. That is minus 0.33 you are seeing. Then the change, which is 35% you are seeing right now, is just the, if I decide to close this now, let's say I want to close this. Okay, so it means that I've made this amount of profit. So I started with $50, and $50 now it has increased to $67.9. Okay, so I may decide to leave this trade for a while now and probably close it when I have like $70 to $80. Okay, so it's not a rocket science. It's not really as difficult as most people would think. All right, not as difficult as most people would think. I've been using grid boards, smart order timing now, and together with everyone who actually bought my course on profitable bot trading. Okay, I give consistent tips, signals every day, week in, week out. Okay, where to buy, where not to buy, where to short, where not to short. Okay, so, and everyone who have a capital of $1,000, is guaranteed that you're going to be making more than $100 every month with that. Okay, so I've been doing this consistently since last year, and I'm onboarding more and more people on that. So this is how the metric works. Like I explained, the low is 2.42. As long as EOS is at that range, 2.42 to 2.91, and the bot will keep making more and more profits. Okay, so it's on autopilot. I'm not touching it. I'm not doing anything. It set order, buy order, and the algorithm knows the right place to buy, the right place to sell. Okay, so that's, I think that's what I have to say. And also the stop loss is there, the take profit point is there, and I'm using only 5x leverage. If I had used like 10x leverage by now, I would have been able to do almost 80% return on equity. Okay, return on equity, that's what it is called. So which other thing, this one you're looking at levels and transits, means that the bot already has made 120 trades for me in the last 31 hours. Okay, can you do that? Can you? No. So in the last 31 hours, 120 trades. Okay, that's like four trades per hour. Okay, average of 4 trades per hour. So I'm not sure you can do that, because even though you're going to do it on your own, you're going to make a bunch of mistakes. A bunch of mistakes. So that's the challenge. Even right now, when I'm still making this video, I would think the bot is it's taking profits also. As you can see, the bot is taking profit. A little bit of $1 here, $2 here, $3 there, everything will accumulate. All right, so that's the beauty. So if I try to close this now, so I'll be closing with $68.3 as profits. All right, now let me now go back to the exchange. There's something I want to show you also in the exchange. Where is Binance? Binance. Okay, this is the trade on the exchange. Okay, this is the trade. So as you can see, the bot sold because it was more, the margin was about $50. The margin about 59 point something dollar before, that was the margin. So but the margin I'm seeing now indicates that the bot sold part of this So so it's not sold per se, it took profit. Yeah, it took profit. Now when you look at this now, the bot have 32 orders set. All of these 32 orders, they are like traps, meaning that no matter where the price is going, as long as it's within the range that I've set, the bot will sell and it's buy. Let me explain these terms to you. In short, so in futures market, when you short, okay, it means you are selling. So for you to take profit, you have to buy. Okay, so this is why you are seeing all of this buy order, because some of you may be confused, like why are you having buy order, why you are shorting? For you to take profit in the short direction, you have to buy. Okay, for you to take profit in the buy direction, you have to do what? You have to sell, right? So now when you look at this is still an experiment. So after this experiment, I'm not going to be going, with full force, right? So when you look at this now, the margin balance now is about 18 point something with about, there is approximately 119. Okay, so now it means that by 120, if I should close this, it means that I invested $50, and in less than 2 days I cashed out like extra 20 USDT on that. And even the extra USDT, if I want, I can still use that extra to also short the market or long the market, depending on my technical analysis and the direction I think that the market is going to. Right. So when you now go to, let me now show you something again to show you what the bot has done so far. If you click on this is the trade history. Okay, you can see the bot activities right there. Sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. Okay, so everything is recorded live on the exchange. Okay, so the reason why you guys may be seeing something like 8 winning days is because I abandoned this particular Binance account for a long time. I'm just using this account for the sake of this tutorial. Okay, so now if I keep trading like in the next 60 days with these bots, and I keep winning and winning and winning, then what you'll be seeing here in the profit analysis is going to be like straight 30 days winning. Okay, so straight 30 days winning. So that's how it is right now. So you can see that the position now increased. Okay, you can see that from 46 that you saw earlier on, it is now 48.4. It means that the bot took part of the money and also decided to short again. Right? So that's why you are seeing what you're seeing right now. Okay, so and I want to believe that by now you can decide for yourself which is something that you want to try. Okay, I have a bunch of videos on the channel that you can watch that will guide you. Okay, you can watch those videos and try it. But if you're looking for an experienced hands to guide you, it's not free. That's the truth. Okay, so you want to take my course on profitable bot trading strategy. It's a course on bot trading specifically. Okay, I show you everything, and you'll be added to the private group, the private group. Okay, so that every day I'll be giving like live updates of the market, what you should be doing. I'll give you, in fact, a whole setup configuration. I will tell you your stop loss, your take profit, the leverage that you are supposed to use. Okay, if you're on sports market, I tell you where to enter and where to get out of the market. All right, so that makes sure that you stay profitably as far as bot trading is concerned. And so far, because you're using bots, you can focus on other area of your life. Maybe you are trying to build a new career, you're trying to take a new online course and all that. So because you are using bots automation, it allows you to have more and more free time to do whatever things that you want or whatever things that you enjoy in life. So that's the beauty of bot trading. Okay, so I'm gonna see you guys in the next video upload, in the next tutorial. I don't even know the next topic that I'm going to be talking about, but it's definitely going to be a topic that will make you more money. That's what the channel is all about. So peace out, man. Peace.